Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys Wi-Fi forget setting guys. Today friends I am going to show you guys how can you forget guys Samsung phone Wi-Fi network guys with device guys you have connected, and friends now you want to forget it, you don't want to use, so how can you forget guys your Samsung phone Wi-Fi network guys. Today friends I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends now let's see how can we forget guys Wi-Fi network in Samsung phone device. First of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So friends we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting. Friends we will click on guys this phone connection setting guys, tap on connection setting, and friends you can see guys your phone Wi-Fi setting guys, click on Wi-Fi setting. So friends click on Wi-Fi setting. So every device guys you have connected guys you can check here, and friends we will forget from the right side setting option guys, tap here. So friends you can see guys your forget option, and friends you can see your QR code. So friends you want to check guys this QR code, so friends you can check, and guys you can share from here. But guys we want to forget guys, we don't want to use, so we will click on the forget option, tap here to forget. After forget guys we cannot use this Wi-Fi network guys. If we use, so we will have to enter password again, then guys we can use this Wi-Fi network, otherwise not. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to forget Wi-Fi network in Samsung phone device. So bye guys.